again after a while. It's been a few days since I've made any updates, but the last few days have been a little more lax, a little more quiet. Kind of just been hanging out. Monday, Hurricane Ophelia hit mostly the west coast, but basically all of Dublin shut down on Monday. Katerina was here over the weekend. She actually canceled and postponed her flight until Tuesday, so Monday was a stay in and get work done day. I was at the moment motivated to researching Python and machine learning, so I did that most of the day. Katerina did some work. Connor went to work in the morning, but then came back in the afternoon, kind of hung out, drank a bunch of tea, and then fixed dinner. We had some nice spaghetti and garlic bread. Tuesday, Katerina left. I actually hung out mostly inside again, did some more research and reading. I've been watching some more Doctor Who recently, getting into the UK spirit, even though I was not part of UK anymore. I know, don't correct me. I didn't realize until I started making the actual footage that my last couple days before now are super windy and hard to understand, so hopefully you can hear at least something of it. Yesterday was kind of another chill day. Did a bit of research about Arduinos and what to do over this weekend, because I'm going to another hackathon this weekend up at DCU, Dublin Centre University, I think. And it's hosted by Intel, and then their Arduino and Genuino products. So that should be pretty interesting. I came up with a nice musical idea, so I think that should be fun. Yesterday night, I went to a meeting at techmeetup.space, which was kind of a disaster in the nicest way. Got there, met a few cool guys. A few of them worked at Amazon, so that was cool. But then it said it started at 6:15. I guess that's what time they told you to get there, but then wasn't actually supposed to start until 7. But the guy who was there to present was about 20 minutes late, and then when he was 20 minutes late, he was supposed to do this presentation on Amazon Alexa and this project he was doing with the Coder Dojo, which is this kids class type thing, and that took about 45 minutes to set up, which it didn't actually work. So then we killed about an hour and a half at the least trying to get stuff set up, and then we talked a little bit about it. I mean, pretty much everything I knew from my Alexa experience. And then we kind of did this round table where we talked about a couple different topics. All in all, it was fairly useless. Not that great. Had a bunch of tea, but they didn't actually have any pizza there. So, not that great. But it was on Fleet Street, so I got the chance beforehand to walk around a lot of Fleet Street stuff. So that was good. Came back home and did a little bit more research on Arduino. And this morning, today is Thursday, the 19th, I believe. And yeah, just been kind of hanging out, watching a bit more Doctor Who. I'm about to go to a data science meetup, so that one should be good. So, that's about it. Not a whole lot's happened. Got a hackathon this weekend. Going to go to Galway on Monday. Going to be there for about 2 weeks, and then got a hackathon, or more like a startup weekend in Limerick, and then I'll be there for a week. Hopefully this wasn't too distracting, not too much extra noise, but I'll talk to you later. Valuable lesson today. This red jacket that I love so much is not good or ideal for walking in the rain. I decided to go out this afternoon knowing that it was raining. That was the first like large trailer truck I've seen here in ever or a long time. Anyways, had a meetup to go to this evening for data science. It's been raining most of the day. I decided to go out in this red jacket and I got completely soaked. So, lesson for myself in the future. But it was good, interesting. Actually learned about 2 very interesting companies and products that people are using that's going on for data analysis and text visualization and whatever, all that other gobbledygook. Isn't that windy or really that very rainy at the moment, but on my way back home, I'm going to get home, do some research. Super excited for the hackathon this weekend. It's going to be very good. I think I have a great idea. I have a great idea for a project to propose. See how that works out. Anyways, not much else to talk about.